My name is Editor Yongara. What's your name?
My name is Mario Dipareza. How old are you?
I'm 16 years old. I am 16 old. How old are you?
I 16 years old. Where do you live?
I 16 Tratabulu. How old are you? I 16 I'm living Tratabulu Street. How are you?
I live in Panam Street. Glad to know you.